Okay, we've got lot number P1003. Another one of these John Deere mower power units that we have from surplus from one of the local cities. This one here, I believe, is a 2010 also. As with the other one, you can see kind of in the background. It's a John Deere 1545 Series 2 four-wheel drive. It's running right now, of course, because it also needs a boost. The battery does take a charge, but it doesn't hold the charge, so it does need to be probably replaced. Lots of surface rust on this one. Unit seems to run and drive okay once it's operating. A little bit of a rattle from the back end. You can hear that, I'm sure. And if not, I'll shut up here in a minute when I open the hood and let you listen. So I'm opening the hood, and now I'll shut up. Personally, I think that's just the exhaust rattling right there where you can see those springs. That's just me. I'll let you listen to the other side. Have to put my stick away. Operator station's in pretty decent condition. Seats torn. A few different controls than the other unit that we have. This one here looks like it's got automatic four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive setting, and locked into four-wheel drive setting. Of course, we don't test any of that. It's right now, I believe it's in two-wheel drive setting. I have pushed the lever in. Doesn't seem to make a difference. Of course, I'm not in mud or anything like that. This flashy light here up in the top, that's programmable. LED lights all the way around. Fan control here, that's working. Of course, there's also, looks like, air conditioning and heat controls. Those work. Only because when the unit came in, it was hot. It was, you know, about a week ago, and it was one of our hot spells here in the Vancouver area, and so we had the heater going. Or sorry, the air conditioning blowing. Don't know whether or not it was cold. Hour meter indicates, I think it says, just let me put my glasses on, 6,687 hours. Okay, and let me go over to the other side. Of course, the controls go up and down. Really can't test anything. These are designed for plows and mower decks and snow blowers and all kinds of sorts of attachments, you know, that you can get for them. So again, here's the control system. There's the lighting panel there, interior lights, stuff like that. Tilt steering wheel goes this way. Fuel gauge is right there. So seats torn. Full glass package on this one. There's windows all the way around. Just gonna close this hood. So this is selling on September 13th, 2023. We are all city auctioneers. The highest bid wins. It's an unreserved auction sale. We're located here in Langley, British Columbia. You can see a few of the other things that we're selling in the sale. I'll just put the camera down here and show you this thing driving. Highest bid wins. Oh, you can see quite a lot of damage up there. Looks like it's probably going to need some more repairs. Anyways, this thing here sells unreserved, highest bid wins, September 13th, online, bcsurplus.com. We are All City Auctioneers. Hope you get another buy-by auction.